Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. This time we have some Amazon unboxings to do. It's going to be two separate videos, two separate people. Really good customer service. Check them out. Link is going to be down below. And hopefully you guys are having a good day. Everybody is staying warm. It is nasty out. I am hibernating all week. I never remembered this being this cold, this many days out here in Michigan. It is freezing out here. Alright, we got one. Yeah, it's gonna be a long one. The first one up to bat is gonna be Gland Electronics. Like I said, the link is gonna be down below. It is a digital thermometer, infrared, ear, and forehead. Really cool. Gland. Oh yes, these always come in handy. I remember the old days when we had that little thermometers, put it underneath our tongue. Forgot what they were called. Oh, this is nice. It is cold. Holy moly. It is so cold being outside. I can't believe that. Dang. Hopefully it turns on. Sometimes electronics don't work when it's this cold. Oh, it comes with batteries. That's a good thing because I just ordered some AAA from Amazon, so they'll be here this week. But right now, I am out of batteries, but that's a good thing. Comes with them. Here's all the good stuff. The probe, LCD, scan, battery cover, on and off, anti-dust cap. There's the good readings. All that good stuff. And here we go. Pretty cool. Stick that in your ear. I'll give it a shot in 1 second. The batteries in and all that. Maintenance clean. Alright. Pretty cool. Where's the batteries go? Let me take that away for you. Hold on. Interesting. Don't have a... Oh, there we go. Bada boom. Batteries. Get these. Oh man, it's cold. Dang. It should work though. Should just turn on right away, but just in case, I think it might be because of the weather. I didn't see the UPS guy drop it up till I got my text. But I think it was only out there for a few minutes. There's a negative something outside. I'm not even sure what the temperature is around, but way too cold. Way too cold out there. Here we go. Last one. Put the batteries in. Got that batteries in right there, like that. Got the AAA's coming. But yeah, definitely. Come on. Okay, there we go. Whoop. Whoa. Battery's low. Dang. Okay, I'm going to stick this into my ear for a second. Whoops. I'm not sure if it's going to beep or something. Alright, still waiting. Oh, you got it. There's a hello scan button in the back. You put it in your ear, hit the scan. Alright. Oh man, battery's too low. Like I said, there we go. But thank you guys at Gland. It does work once I get the batteries, but it will show the register of the number up there. But right now you can see the battery is low. All you gotta do is just stick it in your ear and press the scan button, and pretty much that's it. So there you go. I think that's about it. Anything else in the box? Nope. Alright, YouTubers. There you go. And links are going to be down below. And there's a little stand. And that's how it goes. Bada boom. Put the cover on. Like so. Boom. There you go. That'll be great for birthday gifts, anniversaries, and all that good stuff. Valentine's Day is coming up. Alright, YouTubers, take advantage of the Amazon Prime. Alright, see ya.